Hello everyone, welcome again to another episode of Lifting Hearts with Sarah. Today's topic, we're going to be talking about Impetigo. Impetigo is a skin infection that is very contagious but not usually serious. It can happen to anyone, but it is more commonly in young children. With treatment, Impetigo can usually get better after a few days. For the treatments of Impetigo, you will need to visit your GP, your general practitioner, which is your doctor, or your pharmacist. Reason being that they will need to carry out a check on you, on your skin, to see the kind of symptoms you are getting for your skin infection. Once they can be able to determine that you are suffering from Impetigo, then they will begin to prescribe the following treatments for you. If your Impetigo is in one area, they will prescribe a hydrogen peroxide cream. If the Impetigo is widespread, then they will prescribe an antibiotics cream or antibiotics tablets. Then if you're suffering from bilious Impetigo, then they will prescribe an antibiotics tablet for you. These are the various treatments that can be given to an individual that is going through an Impetigo symptoms. So until when next I come your way, let's continue to lift hearts, save lives, but most importantly, make impact. We're heading somewhere. Let's go.